Hi friends, welcome back to BAFNA Cars. Today again we have a Hyundai Creta in-house for the decent audio upgrade. This is what we have revealed with the car. Friends, we have offered a front VOCE component. We have installed the VOCE coaxial back doors. We have powered it with the active Rockford subwoofer. It's really tight, and we have installed a processor. This is the Audison FORZA 8.9 processor. Come friends, let's experience the sound quality. I have completed the entire installation process. We have thoroughly damped all the 4 doors. The tuning process is completely done. Come, let's experience the music now.
Drink with the same body in you. Ring the back and letters on his fingers pick up trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Don't go flexing, boy, you get trouble. Bad boy messing with the boom boom. Bad boy riding on the boom boom. Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. Bad boy messing with the boom boom. Bad boy riding on the boom boom. Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy.
So friends, hope you like the entire setup. Stay tuned for the next. You can always send your inquiries to us on the WhatsApp. We'll get back to you on this. Thank you so much.